Hey folks, many thanks for joining this short video. I'm just going to show you how you can activate your Passle account and get the Passle button installed and set up on your browser. Once you've received your welcome email from Passle, you'll see that it has instructions just to get started at the bottom there, so you can follow that link and you'll be prompted just to input a password to your new Passle account. Once you've done that, select Set Password, and the next step is to get the Passle button installed and set up on your browser. Now in Google Chrome, you can just add this as a Chrome extension. As you can see, the window pops up, just press Add Extension and you'll see it installs then in the top right hand side just there. Now for any other browser, Passle is just set up as a bookmark in your bookmarks bar, so you can add this to your favorites. Just simply select the Add to Passle button, drag and drop it to the top in your bookmarks bar there, and you'll see you then have the Passle button set up and you're good to get going and start passling. Thanks for watching this video, and any questions that you have, feel free to get in touch with our client success team at Passle at clientsuccess@passle.net.